Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I haven't said that in so long. My last video was like 2-3 months ago. I'm so sorry. There's just not been any new products to review, and that's basically all my content is. You're very up and close today, so you're seeing all the pores. So I have a different background. A lot of my palettes and stuff, it's a bit of a mess, but I tried to clean it up as much as I could bear to. And this is the sofa. I do my makeup in the living room. It's the only room in the house that actually had some room for me to take up. I've moved because I was there. That's where I was, like right against the walls. That wall was my background. But I've moved it in front of the window because I started doing looks with like sunlight and stuff. So I thought I'd move it in front of the window. Don't know if it's gonna stay like this. Still trialing it, trialing new lights and stuff. Also, my hair's pink and I haven't even showed anyone this yet. I've dyed underneath bits green because why not? Yeah, I don't know how much I like it. I hope you're all well. I hope you're doing okay. Let me know what you've been up to in these few weeks, months. If you want any specific videos, anything from me, any specific content, tutorials maybe. I might be doing some of those soon. I'm gonna get on with the video because nobody wants to hear me rambling. So today, as you've seen by the title and the thumbnail probably, I have some new ABH goodies to play with. So I'm really excited but also nervous because I haven't had many new products in ages and I haven't filmed anything with new products in ages, and it's quite daunting because you never know if it's going to go well or not. I'm going to quickly go off camera, pin back my fringe, do my makeup to about here. So like just put foundation on my forehead so you don't have to see my acne. Okay, so I've done my brows. This is the first time I've done them since I shaved off the ends. I'm not sure how I feel. I might touch them up throughout like this video, so they might look different. But so this is the PR box, just a simple pink with gold lettering. And then this is it inside. It comes with a mini eye primer, and then this is the actual palette, and I actually think it's so gorgeous. It's so simple, but I love this shade of pink with that gold. It's so pretty. This is what it looks like inside. Actually a lot prettier in person than it looked like in the pictures. There's a bright yellow here, which I think is a little bit out of place, but I might use it like on my inner corner or something. There's a few glitter shades, or 2 glitter shades down here, E2 and E3. Not a huge fan of glitter shades, but we'll see. A1 looks gorgeous. Oh, actually, A1 was like puffed up and I think it was about to crack, so just patted that down. Basically pinks and neutrals. I look nuts right now, so please ignore me. I'm not like really excited about this because it's just pinks and I feel like there's so many pinks out there, especially in the ABH palettes, but I'm gonna try it, see how I feel. Probably just go for a pink look. And then I'm going to use the liners. It's probably more about the liners this video, so yeah, I've primed with the ABH eye primer, which I've decided I don't love just because it's so dry. Well, for me, I find it too drying and I have dry skin, so when it's put on my eyelids, if I have dry lids, then it just really picks up any little bit of dryness, which kind of sucks. But it works well with the ABH shadows. So I'm going to take the shade E4, which is like a burgundy. Pack that on my outer corner. I'm going to take the shade E5, which is the really bright pink, and I'm going to pack that a little bit on and a little bit above the first shade. And then bring it into the inner corner of my crease. I'm just kind of taking what's ever left on the brush and kind of slightly blending it upwards so it blends into the other pink nicely. I'm going to go in with E1, which is the lightest pink shade. And again, I'm going to pack that a little bit on and a little bit above that shade from before. They're applying nicely, but the only thing with this eye, I have some texture around my brow bone, and also the primer wasn't really sticking there, so it looks a little bit patchy, but please ignore that because that's literally just my fault. Well, not my fault, but my skin's fault. Now I'm going to go back in with each of the shades and just build them up. So I'm just taking a small fluffy brush. This one's from Morphe. I'm just taking the lightest pink shade really lightly on the brush, and I'm just blending out those edges. So I'm noticing that I should have probably put a shade to blend in these two better, the darker colour and the pink, because it doesn't really blend in very well. So I've kind of blended it out the best I can. It's not perfect, but it never is. I'm now just applying a little bit of the eye primer, really roughly, onto like kind of like a half cut crease, but like really just messy, because I'm gonna do like a straight line today. Ooh, so that's A1 and A2. They are so gorgeous. Then we have E2 and E3, which are glitters. I hate the feeling of glitter. Oh god. Okay, they're pretty. Maybe I will put a bit of... Okay, this is... I just put what was on my finger from E3, and I'm going to use a bit of that because that really goes well with the look, with the purple and the pink. Okay, so I'm now going to go in with A2, which is like the purpley shimmer. Kind of want to take that glitter all over the lid though, not gonna lie. Okay, I'm going to go in with the lighter glitter shade and just kind of apply that all over. I applied those shimmers because I want them to sparkle even more, and I feel like it looked a bit weird that this was glittery and then this was shimmery. So now I'm going to move on to the liners. I'm not really sure what sort of look I'm going to do with the liners. Anyways, there are two different sets of liners and they are $30 or £31 each, so this one and this one. They come with 3 colours in each one. So there is a orange, white and purple one, and a pink, yellow and green one. They're actually really cute and I really like the packaging. Basically, like, are on kind of like a, what do you call that, like a circular motion, and they're kind of the size of eyeshadow pans, so they're quite small, especially for the price. They're like £10 each for each little thing, so they're quite expensive for how little you get, but I don't know how long they'll last, so you never know. They are 2.3 grams each, so 3 times 2.3 grams. And I've got to say, this all launches on the 11th of May, so on Monday, I think. I feel like maybe I should do a separate look where I use all of the colours, and maybe today just use pink and green. Also, by the way, they have a mirror in the top one, so it's really cute. I don't really know like if I'd ever get used out of the mirror. Okay, I think for just this look, I'm going to use pink and green just because it goes with the look and my hair. I will definitely do a look using the other shades. Like, I'll probably do a look using all of them. I'll post that on my Instagram. So these are actually water activated, so they're similar to the Suva Beauty ones, which are very popular. Put some water in a little egg cup that I have here. Ooh, ASMR. This is just like a paintbrush. It's not one of my thinnest. I can't find them. I don't know where they are. I think I'm going to go in with the green first. But first swipe, that's pretty pigmented. Like, I usually, with the Super Beauty ones, I had to go in a few times. Put a little bit of water on my brush and then wiped it on here and we're ready to go. It's very nice and creamy. Okay, I'm just going to kind of go for it. Okay, so they're going on quite nicely so far. I don't know how I'm going to get the other eye even, honestly. I'm probably going to go do the same thing on the other eye off camera so I can actually focus properly. I'm now taking the pink. I have done this eye, but I'm going to show you on this eye. And I'm just drawing a line and connecting it to the green. Yeah, what I've realised is the texture of these is actually like a little bit like putty-like. I was wondering why they called them cake liners because I thought they were just hard. Also, can I just say, I'm quite impressed that they haven't cracked yet. Okay, I think that's the best I'm going to get without ruining it so much that I can't go back. What I'm going to do now is go off camera, do the rest of my makeup, and then come back and tell you my full opinions. This is the finished look. I applied the same eyeshadows on my lower lash line, but kind of made it more pinky, not as dark. And then on my inner corner, I applied a little bit more eye primer, very thin layer, and then applied the really light yellow shade, which is D2. And it looks really nice and pops really well. And then I used a similar eyeliner in my waterline to kind of tie it together. I put on a pink lip, but it's kind of more purpley. I'm not sure how I feel about it. It doesn't really go with the liner, which was kind of what I was going for, but can't change it now because if I take it off, I'm gonna have lipstick smudged everywhere. I swear I had more pink lipsticks, but I don't know where they are. But yeah, the eyeshadows are just typical good ABH eyeshadows. If you like the formula of the other palettes, then this is the same. Really pretty shades, more for the everyday, but then if you want to have a bit of fun with the yellowy shade and the pinks, yeah, I don't know how much I'll use this, but it is really pretty. And then the eyeliners, I'm actually so impressed with these. I know I only used 2 shades, but I will use the others maybe in another video, well, definitely on my Instagram. So if you want to know how they perform, I will let you know over there. But I'm actually really impressed. There is no cracking, and I've had this on for a few hours now. And yeah, and I put on a few layers. Usually there's cracking with eyeliners, especially if you put a few layers on top. The white may have a little bit of cracking, but I don't know because I haven't tried it yet. But whites are more known to crack a lot more. So yeah, I'm actually really impressed. I wasn't sure what to expect and how they would work, but I actually really like them, and I wasn't sure about filming this video today, but I'm glad I did. I'm really excited about these liners. I hope they come out with different colours because I actually really like them right now. Obviously, this is my first impression, so throughout using them again, my opinions might change, but at the moment, I love them, and I'm excited to try out the other colours. Let me know if you want a video of me testing these against Suva Beauty eyeliners, because I have probably all of the shades that are the same as these. I think I do anyway. My white from Suva Beauty is a bit old. There is a definite size difference, price difference, and yeah, so if you want that, let me know and I can do it for you. But yeah, I really appreciate you watching this video. I really hope you guys enjoyed it. Let me know if you're going to get any of these products. If I do suggest one thing from this video, I definitely suggest these. It's something new from ABH and it's something fun if you like doing fun makeup. If you've always wanted to do like bright eyeshadow, bright eyeliner, wanted to get better at it, but you've never wanted to wear it outside, now is the time. I mean, come on, there's no better time ever. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please give it a big thumbs up if you did, and subscribe if you are new. My Instagram is Alice King Makeup if you want to go see a up close little mini tutorial of this look and a picture so you can see all the deets, then you can go see that over there. Yeah, I think that's all I have to say. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you very soon with another video. Bye.